Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add or remove hard drive password on LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. First of all, you're gonna have to enter the BIOS menu, and to do that, you have to turn off your laptop and then turn it on, and while it's launching, repeatedly click the F2 key until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. After that, you're gonna have to select Security on the sidebar. Then find Set Hard Disk 1 Password option and double-click it. After that, you will be prompted to enter the master password, so click OK, and then enter the new master password and confirm it in the second field. Make sure that you remember it, or better off, write it down somewhere. Then press Enter, and then you're gonna have to enter the hard disk user password. So do the same thing, enter your password, confirm in the second field, press Enter, and now the hard disk password is created. If you want to remove it, you're gonna have to select change user password of hard disk user 1, enter current password into the first field and leave the other two fields blank. Press Enter. Okay, so we can only remove the master password, so do this for the master password. Enter your current password into the first field, leave the other two fields blank, press Enter, and your password, hard disk password, will be removed. To apply changes, press F10 and Enter. To exit without saving changes, press Escape and Enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.